Hey there! Congratulations on joining the Klynk family with your new semi. Let's unbox it together and get you started on your smart cooking journey. First things first, let's unbox your semi. Place it on a clean flat countertop and make sure there's enough space around it for proper ventilation. Inside you'll find everything you need to get you started with your semi. A welcome card welcoming you to the Klynk family. The Quick Start Guide. This offers a condensed version of the setup process and provides some initial setup tips, perfect for a quick reference. And the User Manual. For a more detailed explanation of semi's features and functionalities, this comprehensive user manual will be your best friend. If you opted for the temperature probe, you'll find it neatly packed in a separate box. This probe unlocks even more possibilities with semi, especially for precise temperature control techniques. We recommend not using extensions or multi-plugs. Once semi powers on, you will see some initial setup instructions displayed on the screen. First step is to install the Klynk app. You can scan the QR shown on the screen or simply download from App Store or Play Store on your phone. Klynk app unlocks the full potential of semi. Once you've downloaded the app and signed up, navigate to the Appliances section. You should see Set up your device there. And now comes the magic of connectivity. Semi will guide you through connecting to your Wi-Fi. Depending on your device, you might see a device Wi-Fi screen or a direct connection prompt. Look for a network named Semi powered by Klynk and connect to that. Congratulations! You have successfully linked your phone to Semi. Just a heads up, Semi requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection to connect to your Klynk app. Make sure this network is strong in your kitchen where you will set it up. You also have an option to rename your semi in the app. Give it a fun and personal name that reflects your style. Now, let's register your semi with Klynk. This helps us provide you the best possible support. Finally, semi will check for any available software updates. If an update is available, we recommend starting the process now. The update will take around 10 to 15 minutes, so keep your phone close to semi during this time. Planning to connect other phones to your semi in the future? No problem. Once semi is connected to Wi-Fi, adding new phones is a breeze. Just make sure both your phone and semi are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, on the Klynk app, go to Link to Semi and follow the instructions. Curious which Wi-Fi network semi is currently connected to? You can check this easily. On semi's display, navigate to Settings, Connect, and then Wi-Fi. This will show you the connected network name. Keep an eye on the connection status icon on semi's display. When the app is connected, the icon should be a solid color. If it's grayed out, there might be a connection issue. Refer to the user manual or the Klynk app for troubleshooting steps. And there you have it. Your semi is all set up and ready to revolutionize your cooking experience. From auto-guided cooking recipes and convenient presets to precise temperature control and flexible manual mode, Semi empowers you to cook with confidence and enjoy delicious results every time. Happy cooking with Semi.
Cook with confidence, cook with Semi.